Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Tinder. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on a device and sign in. On your home page, tap the profile icon at the top left and tap Settings. Here, scroll down to Discovery Settings. You can add a new location to find new people. This feature is only available for premium users. Next, toggle on Global to find people from all around the world nearby you and control the maximum distance that you want people to be in. Move the slider right or left to increase or decrease the distance. And toggle on Only Show Me People in this range to apply the distance. Similarly, control the age range of people you see on Tinder. Slide the indicators to specify the age range. And toggle on Only Show Me People in this range to apply the age range. Once you do that, Tinder will show you people according to your settings. So go to the home page and swipe to find people. And that's how you find someone on Tinder. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.